This is an unboxing and review of the InnoView Portable Monitor. So I opened it earlier. I tried it out on a Dell laptop, on a MacBook Pro laptop, and an iPad. And it worked pretty well. I used the instructions, as you can see, that come along with it. The Dell just picked it up automatically, didn't have to change any settings. The MacBook, I did have to go into the settings and change the resolution of the portable monitor so that it functioned the way it should, so it wasn't blurry. The iPad, unfortunately, it doesn't have the right view ability, and so it stretches it a tiny bit and it blurs it a tiny bit. Now, once you get it out of the case, which it is a really nice case, you can see it has a nice matte finish. If you feel like the display is not quite as crisp as you'd like it when you view it, do try checking the brightness controls. You might turn up the brightness and it might work a little bit better. On the left hand side, you got the power, the volume, and a place for headphones. On the right, you've got two USB-Cs and a mini HDMI. Then pulling out the top, you've got USB-C to USB-C, you've got USB-C to USB-A, then you've got this mini HDMI to the regular HDMI, and then you've also got the charger and the cleaning cloth. If you plug the monitor into the wall and then plug your iPad or your iPhone into the device, it will actually charge while you're using the monitor, so that was an extra bonus. Other things of note, it's about half the weight of a laptop if you're wondering how much it's going to weigh. And of course the stand is also the cover, so that protects it as you go. There are pretty decent speakers built in, but you will have to carry the charging cord separately. Thanks for watching.